Okay, brothers and sisters, now let's explain heaven according to scripture. And again, we stay with the book of Enoch because Enoch has been to heaven and he wrote as a testimony to us heaven. And we're going to the book of Enoch, chapter 39. And from verse 3, it says, "And in those days a whirlwind carried me off from the earth and set me down at the end of the heaven. There I saw another vision, the dwelling places of the holy and the resting places of the righteous." Okay? The dwelling places of the holy and the resting places of the righteous. Verse 5. "Here my eyes saw the dwelling places of his righteous angels." So both the holy, that is the humans, and the angels as well, and the resting places of the holy ones. And they petitioned and interceded and prayed for the children of men. And that is the angels that are there, right? They petitioned, interceded, and prayed for the children of men. "And righteousness flows before them like water, and mercy fell like dew on the earth. Thus it is among them forever and ever. And in that place my eyes saw the elect one of righteousness and of faith." Here Enoch was talking about Christ. Okay? That Christ, which is the salvation of the Most High, which we call Yeshua. Okay? It says, "And in that place," Enoch chapter 39 verse 6, brothers and sisters, "and in that place my eyes saw the elect one of righteousness and of faith. And I saw his dwelling place under the wings of the Lord of spirits. And righteousness shall prevail in his days, and the righteous and elect shall be innumerable, and will be before him forever and ever. And all the righteous and elect ones before him shall be as bright as fiery lights, and their mouth shall be full of blessing, and their lips shall praise the name of the Lord of spirits. Righteousness and truth before him shall never fail. There I wished to dwell." Now Enoch is saying that when he saw this place, he wanted to live there. When he saw this place that has been prepared for the righteous men and the righteous angels and Holy One, he wanted to live there. Enoch 39 verse 8 said, "There I wished to dwell, and my spirit longed for that dwelling place. And thus it was decided, and my portion was assigned and established by the Lord of spirits." When he saw the place, you remember, brothers and sisters, Enoch was taken to the length and breadth of the creation of the Most High. But when he saw the splendor, the majesty, the grandeur of the place that the Most High has prepared for us, the righteous ones on this planet, that is the only place he wanted to stay. He has seen everything. He saw the secrets of the thunder, the ends of the lightning, the treasures of the wind. He saw these things. But when he saw that dwelling place, he wanted to stay there. That is where he wanted to stay. So you can imagine the mansion that the Most High has prepared for us. He said, "There I wish to dwell, and my spirit longed for that dwelling place." He wanted to be there. When they were showing him other places, is that place that he wanted to be. And the Most High decided that that is where he is going to be. Brothers and sisters, Father Enoch is there right now because he did not die. He was not subject to judgment. That's why he is there in heaven right now, under the wings of the Lord of spirits. And verse 9, it says, "In those days I praised and exalted the name of the Lord of spirits with blessings and praises, because he has destined me for blessing and glory according to the good pleasure of the Lord of spirits. For a long time my eyes looked at that place, and I blessed him and praised him, saying, Blessed is he, and may he be blessed from the beginning and forevermore. And in his presence there is no end." Selah. So brothers and sisters, that is where heaven is. That is heaven, where the Most High has prepared for those who believe and trust in him after the judgment. You're not going there now. You have to wait after you've been judged.